The Observatory for the Protection of Human Rights Defenders regards the 2010 parliamentary elections as not free or fair and reports that freedom of assembly and expression is limited in Azerbaijan. The Observatory was created in 1997 by the International Human Rights Organizations and the World Organization Against Torture. Azerbaijani human rights defenders put Belarusian human rights defenders Ales Bialiatiski photo on one of the chairs to express solidarity. The Observatory's report was presented by the Human Rights Center at the Media Rights Center today. Eldar Zeynalov said that judicial assaults against human rights defenders, journalists and lawyers continued between the 2010 parliamentary elections and April of 2011, the period of time covered by the report. According to the report, the operation of the Election Monitoring and Democracy Education Public Union should be seized. Moreover, it blamed the closing of the Azerbaijan offices of the Norwegian Human Rights House and the National Endowment for Democracy on the Azerbaijan authorities. The report deemed the failure of Azerbaijan authorities to hold opposition protests in March and April of 2011 a gross violation of freedom of free assembly. Other examples of the limited freedoms in Azerbaijan are kidnappings and beatings of journalists and the arrest of representatives of the Islamic Party. The report also dealt with human rights in Nakhchivan and condemns the persecution and assaults on human rights defenders Gar Nasibov and Malahat Nasibova, journalist Ilman Abbasov and human rights defender Hakime Dostumehdiyev. The arrest of human rights defender Viday Iskandarlı and court lawsuit filed against lawyer Osman Kazimov and Intigam Aliyev were also mentioned in the report. The remaining human rights defenders who suffered pressure at the hands of the authorities will be discussed in the following report.